In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update. Let's get started. The verification process can sometimes take about 10 to 30 minutes, especially right after a beta release when app servers are busy. If the process has not moved for at least 20 to 30 minutes, try the next fixes. Check internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also give a first restart to your router. If you're using VPN, you will need to disable it. Next, force restart your device. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Release the button and let your iPhone restart. Then, check for your device storage. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, scroll down and find the update iOS 27 beta. Launch it. Click on delete update. Then head back. Go to software update page and from here download it again. Keep your iPhone connected to a charger during the update. Low battery can interrupt the verification process. If the solution didn't work out for you, restore in recovery mode. If your iPhone remains stuck after all the above steps, put your iPhone into recovery mode. Connect it to a computer. Choose update first to reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If the update fails, you may need to choose restore, which erases the device, so ensure you have a backup first. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.